happy to see Bubba?
Oh, you got a cigar.
Bubba!
You got, thanks, that's fine. Bubba, Dada,
Get down.
Wow, I see there's enough left.
Those the balloons? Wow.
Yeah, let me see. Okay.
You want her to see the balloons?
Wow. Aren't they beautiful balloons? Fancy. Are you the big brother now? Oh, he's got a different shirt on. Did he have a shirt that said Big Brother? Are you the big brother?
No, not open yet. Hold on.
Okay, I'm not looking yet.
I'll tell you when to tell her to open. Okay, turn it on. Turn it on. They're open.
Ah, you're the big brother. Yes, you are.
You want me to take it off now?
Oh, how pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have anything else to show Bubba?
What are we going to see? Gonna see somebody?
No.
Wow.
Anything important you want to show Bubba?
Did you get anything new recently?
Where'd Mommy go? Who should we go see?
No. Okay.
Oh. Dots. Is that what he's saying?
One dot, two dot.
Of course, Dots.
Is there anything else? What's this pin mean? The Big Brother pin. Does that mean anything special? Why are you a Big Brother now? Do you have a little something else?
Yeah,
What?
baby.
Well, maybe Bubba wants to see the baby.
Just nursed really good, which is
And
good.
Bubba.
Yeah.
Key.
Key? I have the key. It's in my purse. It's out in the car. We have to have Daddy get
Is there
the key.
anything else you want to show Bubba, Vance?
Who should we go see?
Baby.
Baby? All right. We're going to go see the baby. Yeah.
Obviously, coding doesn't affect the baby or she won't have given it to me, but I don't think it's going to long for you now.
Oh, good. Where's the baby?
Take care of the baby.
Huh?
Bubba.
What?
Bubba.
Look. Who's that?
Baby.
Is that your baby?
Yeah.
So she looks exactly like Vance.